Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. It is November 2020, which means we are rapidly approaching the holiday gift giving season. So are you looking for gift giving ideas for a grill master to be in your household, or looking to buy a little something for yourself? Well, I have some recommendations for you, especially if all you have at home is a little gas grill like this Weber Q. There are a couple of accessories that will really elevate your game. The first is this Weber Q smoking box. And the second is this convection tray and roasting rack set. Now, there is a problem. Both of these items are discontinued in the United States, and actually, as far as I know, I think they are actually only available in Australia. And I find that really strange, considering that Weber is based in Palatine, Illinois, a short 45-minute drive from here. So I can't even jump in my car and drive out to their headquarters, knock on their door, and buy these things. I would have to get on a plane, fly all the way to Australia, quarantine for 14 days, go to a store, buy it, and then fly back, and then do, well, the optional quarantine back here. I don't think that's gonna happen. Fortunately, there is a workaround. All you need are these two items. All right, so let's head on inside and I'll show you how to make a tinfoil pouch and a workaround to the roasting rack and convection tray. To begin, let's find a workaround and alternative to our smoker box. In other words, let's make a smoke pouch. To make this pouch, start with some aluminum foil. You don't need a whole lot of foil here, just tear off a small sheet, like so. Lay that sheet out flat, and then fold it over itself once. It does not have to be perfect by any means. This seals up one side of the pouch, so let's seal up two more sides. So on one of the open ends, just fold it over about a 1/4 inch or 1 centimeter over itself, and one more time just to lock it in. So now two sides have been constructed. Let's fold over and seal a third side to your pouch. And there you go. So as you can see, when I hold this up straight up, you can see 3 sides are sealed and it has formed a nice little pouch. From here, all you gotta do is grab a bag of wood chips, grab a fistful of chips from that bag, and stick it right into your pouch. Now, fold over and seal up that fourth and final side, locking in all the wood chips in your tinfoil pouch. Last step, grab a knife and poke a small hole directly in the center of this pouch. Now, this is ready for the grill. So go ahead and chuck this on the grill as you preheat. And after just 10 minutes of preheating, your pouch will be generating a good amount of smoke. So now, what about the roasting rack and trivet? Again, we're finding an alternative to this convection tray and an alternative to the roasting rack. Well, the roasting rack is easy. Just go to Amazon and look up toaster oven trays and trivets. So here is the one that I bought, and I'll have a link to this one down in the description below. To show you the measurements, I am going to grab a tape measure and measure out the length, which is about 11.5 inches or 28 centimeters. And the width here is 9 inches, which is about 23 centimeters. And now, for the convection tray workaround. All that is aluminum foil. So roll off a sheet of aluminum foil that's just slightly larger than your toaster oven tray. Place the foil down on a flat surface, and then your toaster oven tray directly on top of it. I like to wrap the edges like so. This allows me to carry this whole thing as a single unit. Anyways, the purpose of the aluminum foil is that it acts as a heat deflector from the burners below, so that way your grill acts like a convection oven. Anyways, after wrapping, grab a knife and poke some holes into your aluminum foil. The reason we are doing this is this way there is a place for grease and oil and drippings to fall during the roasting process. And so now our roasting rack and shield alternative is ready. Not pretty, but definitely ready for the grill. And now you could add your food directly to your grill on this roasting rack with your smoke pouch. So from here, your possibilities are endless. Crank up that gas and fire up your grills. Okay guys, so that was my little video on how you can work up a homemade alternative to the Weber Q smoker box and the roasting rack and convection tray set. Let me know in the comments section down below if you use either of these two hacks or plan on trying this out. These are two really simple tricks that will really elevate your grilling game. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, as always, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. As always, if you have the time, definitely check out some of the other videos that I have on this channel by clicking to my right or on my name down below. Thank you all very much as always for watching. Have a great holiday season, stay safe, and I will see you all again next time. Bye now.